How to change password for WhatsApp? First of all, open WhatsApp and go to the three dots menu at the top right corner. Tap on Settings. Next, select Account from the Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Two-Step Verification. Now tap on Change PIN. Enter your current PIN first. After that, enter your new PIN twice to confirm the change. Make sure to choose a strong PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. If you don't have two-step verification enabled yet, you can enable it here to add an extra layer of security to your account by setting a PIN. Remember, this PIN acts as your WhatsApp password to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now you know how to change password for WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.